Look at the state of this brassy hair. I need some highlights. Today I've got a mermaid type of inspired makeup look. I'm going to be doing like a teal, blue, black type of makeup, and it's going to go all the way up here, like past the eyebrow. I did do a look on my Instagram with the yellow makeup on the inside, on the inner corner. I'll see if I can get a picture of it. Just 2 seconds.
2 hours later.
I'm going to do a bit of that, but I'm going to intensify the looks because the photo I took on Instagram, it wasn't the greatest. So I'm just going to start off with that. I am going to be using the Patricia Bright Revolution palette and a Kiko Wet to Dry eyeshadow, and it looks like this. I can't open it. It looks like that, and this is shade 213. I've barely used it, but I did use it when I was on holiday, so I'm just going to get started. So in the makeup look, I used these 4 colours. There's them 4 blues and teals there. I am going to use a couple of them today. Using a couple of brushes here, so let's have a look. Which one do I want to use? I'll go into Date Night of the palette, which is that colour there. And I'm going to start off slow because it is really pigmented. That's going all over. I used this brush last time I did the makeup look, so I'm just going to use a different one because it's not going the way I want it to go. So I'm going to use a more dense brush. So I'm going to use it's a Naked palette brush, and it's this type of density, so I'm just going to get that and put that in the colour Date Night instead. So I'm just winging that out just past the eyebrow. So that's what it looks like so far. I don't know if you can see that properly. And I'm going to go and mirror it on the other eye, just because I don't know where I'm going to go next, because it always turns out a little bit different. That's as much as I wanted to blend right now. I'm going to take the colour Stay Blended, which is there at the bottom corner, blue colour. I'm going to take a Revolution limited edition brush. It just looks like this, and it's that sort of density. I don't know if you can see that either. And I'm just taking that in the crease just below the blue colour, just so that I can blend it, and I'm going to put it further down onto the lid. I didn't want a lot of that colour on there, but I did want it to blend the first colour. So now I'm going to take the Kiko Wet to Dry eyeshadow in 213. It doesn't actually have a name. I'm going to take another Revolution limited edition brush in this type of shape. I don't even have the words, these brushes, like you can tell I'm not professional at all. This is so lovely. I love this eyeshadow. Now I'm going to take another flat brush. I can find one. I'm going to take a Studio London eyeshadow brush that looks like really similar to the Revolution brush. And I'm going to go into the shade Extra AF, which is this colour here. And I'm going to put it in the inner corner of the eye. This is kind of like, I couldn't even tell you what this consistency is, but if you can see, when I'm putting it in, it kind of has an indent. It's like a wet to dry eyeshadow as well. So I'm just putting that on the inner corner. I think I'll put it on the outer corner as well. Go in with Risk Taker, which is this greeny tealy colour, and I'm going to cover the Extra AF colour on the outer corner, just because I don't particularly like what I've done there. So now I'm done with the eyes, I'm going to go and move on to the face makeup, and I'm going to be using the Stay Naked 20NN with a Real Techniques Complexion sponge. It's just a beauty blender, and I'm taking that on the back of my hand. I'm going to add it on my face now. face makeup now, and I'm going to be taking the Peaches and Cream Punchline lip liner and the Girl Talk lip gloss. is the finished makeup look. I did have some trouble with the yellow eyeshadow at this time round. It's not usually that bad to work with, but at the end of the day, it is just a makeup look. We're in lockdown, it's not like we're going anywhere, so it's absolutely fine. My eyes are far from equal. One of them tends to go up further than the other, but you know, I think they're equal enough for the actual eye makeup. So like I said, this is inspired by mermaid vibes. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and subscribe if you want to, and hopefully I'll see you next time for another makeup look. Bye!